We get natural moves. Look now, watch. Mm-hmm. We also have Oyibo Western moves too. Watch, watch. Mm-hmm. Ah, Africans are blessed. Ah, look, check it now. Ah, we don't need to go to school to learn how to dance. It is inborn. Aha, natural. Shebi, I tell you now. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. It is called Short. It's something new on YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, go and search about shorts. So shorts are not supposed to be more than 1 minute, but I think that this one has passed 1 minute, so it's not shorts anymore. Subscribe and let me know what you guys think about my shorts. I promise to give you guys daily shorts before the real video. And then also, bye for now.